I'm so happy to meet brethren like this.
Mukama yebazibwe aboluganda.
Brethren.
Amina.
To God be the glory. The glory of the Lord is risen upon you.
Hajjati.
You want to give your life to Jesus?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yimirira, if you can. I know the presence of God is strong. Help her. I know the presence of God is strong here. In Jesus' mighty name. Omukyalo no mumanyi.
Do you know this lady?
Mumumanyi nnyo. Bameka bamumanyi wano.
How many of you know this lady?
Lwaki tokubira Katonda engalo ez'amaanyi?
Clap for God, somebody.
Munkubire wekubaawo.
Make some way for me there.
Hajjati.
Pastor.
Osazeewo okulokoka lwaki?
To get saved, why?
Nsazeewo okulokoka.
I've decided to get saved.
Ndi mulwadde wa mutima.
I have a heart failure.
Gunumidde ebbanga.
For some time now.
Abantu bonna bankyaye.
Everybody has abandoned me.
Ne family yonna enkyaye.
Even my family has deserted me.
Mbulirwa n'ekyokulya.
At times I fail to get something.
Mbulirwa n'ekyembeera nakyo kyonna. Baneiba be bandiisa family eyankyawa buli kimu kyonna ekyange kyaggwawo. Kubanga omutima gunnumidde ebbanga lya myaka ng'esatu oba ena. Nga gunnuma. Mpulira nga emirembe gimpeddeko. Nsazeewo oba abooluganda be mbansigaza. Ye Katonda wange. Kubanga bendaba abasobola okufuuka abooluganda lwange era be balaliko okunjagala. Kuba siina kye nsobola kukola.
This afternoon, the Lord is amazing. The Lord is going to heal her. Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why. The whole of this afternoon, I had several meetings, meeting several people. And I began to feel the pain in my chest. It was so intense. And I told Robert of the Bible College. And the second person I told when I came here, when she came, was my wife. I said, I don't know. I have this pain. It's so intense. I had forgotten that that's how sometimes God works through the word of knowledge. He can indicate in your body so that you can intensify the prayer. And I've been having that pain. And the moment she came here, the pain I had left. But I didn't know it was the condition you've been having. In 7 days, you'll be amazed what God has done. If you are there, people move back, and move back. If you don't push people, they will go back by themselves. If you are there, you have never given your life to Jesus. As I pray for Hajjat, I want to involve you in the prayer. I want to involve you in the prayer as well. In the mighty name of Jesus.